So we'll come to the Sandhi. So first we'll come to the Kannada Sandhi. Okay. In Kannada Sandhi we have three types, three divisions. We have three kinds of Sandhi. So one is Lopa Sandhi. Have you heard of this? One is Agama Sandhi and the other one is Adesha Sandhi. Please remember these names. Can you please read it out? Lopa Sandhi, Agama Sandhi, Adesha Sandhi. Now, there is a word Matilla. How do you split this word? Matu plus illa. Okay, next one. Uralli. Uru plus alli. Yenilla. Enu plus illa. Allondu. Alli plus ಒಂದು. ಇಲ್ಲೊಬ್ಬ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಒಬ್ಬ. What did you observe in these words? Observe this word. What is the change in the final word? Tell me. Okay, na? So here, instead of a tu, what do I have? So instead of a tu, I have a e. I'll write it here, you will understand. Ma, til, la. So instead of a tu, I made e. I combined with e. I combined the with e. So it became ti. So here the u went off. I released the u outside the word. My final word doesn't have a u sounding. Similarly in the second one, can you understand what is I have left out? Very good. Again, I left the u and I combined the ra with the a. In the next one, again I combined with na combined with e. So it became ni. The next one, no. What did I leave? See, look at word. Look at these words. What did I leave? You are very close to the word. What did I leave? No. Observe what is the sound of this first word. What is the sound of that letter? It is ending with which sound? It ended with the sound enu, u. It is ending with the sound. First word. So I am leaving everywhere, I am leaving the first word, last sound. So what did I leave now? E sound. I left the E sound here. Then I combined the la with the o. So it became low. The next one. Again I left the E. Very good. So if you observe, I am leaving something here. Either it can be o, it can be a, or it can be e sounding. Anything that will be gone from which side of the word? From the left side of the word. From Purva Pada. Remember, it's a sound of the word. It's not just the last letter. It's a sound of that. Ma, tu, u, uru, u, alli, e, illi, e. It's a sound of the word. So this leaving thing is there, no? I'm releasing that thing is a fault actually. It's something defect, I would say. So which is called as a lopa in Kannada. So this is lopa sandhi. So wherever I release some letter and I'll combine that with the second word starting a la, that is called as a lopa sandhi. You understood what is lopa sandhi now? So once you understand to observe and identify lopa sandhi, the next two is easy. If you won't understand this one, then you won't understand the agama sandhi and adesha sandhi. It will be very difficult. Okay? So I'll give few activities and few examples for you to work on this one today. From Yashaswikannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.